Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. You too may have a relatively new Honda Ridgeline, and if you do, like me, you may need to pull a trailer every now and then. And even though they are all-wheel drive, they have the 3.5 V6 in them that's really good, and they have the trailer hitch on the back and the 7-wire plug down there. They don't have a trailer controller, and so you need to install a good trailer controller. I bought one from eTrailer. I bought a REDARC, and I'm going to install that today. See what we have in the box. From eTrailer, I got an escutcheon here. They call it a switch insert. I call it an escutcheon. It'll fit right there in the dash. I did order the pre-wired harness that will fit on the end of the REDARC controller and up in the Ridgeline. Let's see what else I have here. I have the Tow-Pro Liberty electric brake controller from REDARC. There's a model number for my 2024. That's REDARC's part number right there. eTrailer did have a different number that they put on it, a part number, but that's the REDARC part number right there. Here's the REDARC part number for this wiring harness. And here's the REDARC part number for the plug, the escutcheon that'll go right in the dash. Okay, here's where I'm going to mount the knob in the dash. You can see that I've already pulled this little plug out, and the plug that I purchased from eTrailer is this one right here. It will fit right in there. And of course, I don't want to push it all the way in now, but that's where the controller is going to go. This thing right here, with that little knob right there, will fit right through there. The wiring harness will connect to the back of it and go right up on under there to this controller. So let me get busy mounting that. Okay, as you can see, I took the little plug, I put it through the back of this plate, and I screwed the little retainer screw on the top there, and I tightened it up, and it's ready for the little knob to go on the front. I'll set the knob here at 0. Slide it on. Okay, that's ready. And it's ready to be inserted into the dash. Like so. First though, I'm going to connect the back of the knob with this Cat 5 wire. Okay, now I have my wire through the dash and my plug here. I'm going to push hard and see if I can't clip it so that it'll connect here. I have to set down the camera. It actually took a little persuading. What I did was I went and got a socket, and I just placed that right there, and I pushed really hard and hit with my hand, my palm, and it finally clicked up in there. And so there we are. We got a real nice clean install right there. And so now we'll work on getting the controller up under the dash. Okay, let's see if I can show you that plug. Right there it is. It's that white plug. I'm moving the light on it and now off of it. It's that one right up there. All you have to do is plug your pre-wired harness into it and then into the back of the REDARC controller. I'm going to do that, and then I'll be back in a moment. Okay, there they are plugged up. And now all I have to do is lay on my back, use the flashlight, and look up under there and find a good solid place to attach that REDARC controller up under the dash. Okay, there it is, all installed, nice and neat looking. I won't bore you with how to set it up, but there is an active calibration process that you'll see on page 14 of the operation manual. But this system will actually calibrate itself. It will apply the brake based on the force in which you are decelerating. So if you decelerate faster, it will apply more brake. And so it's an intelligent braking system. It's really nice, and one of the reasons I wanted it, and the other one was because you could put it up under the dash and not have to mount something down here and be seen. And you can manually apply pressure right there and manually override and just apply brake pressure to the brakes in the back on the trailer and not brake the vehicle right here. So it's a super system, and I had great help from eTrailer.com, calling them and getting the right harness and everything. I'm not sponsored by them, and so there's no monetary gain for me. I just wanted to tell you where I got it. You can pick it up at Amazon as well and other places. So I hope this helps. I hope you guys have a great day. Appreciate you checking into the channel. Please share this so that other people will find out about it, but most of all, hit the like button so YouTube will push this out to ever more people. That's how their algorithm works. The more likes something gets, the more they push it out to people. So I'm sure there are other people that have a nice, wonderful 24, and I think it actually works on a few of the models earlier than the 24, but a nice new Ridgeline so that you can tow with it as well and tow safely. Thanks a million for checking on the channel. God bless you. Have a great day, everyone.